Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. So here in this video, we're going to discuss the last moment strategy to crack a UGC NET English June 2024 examination. Here I have written the two important things that you should be following. The very first thing is ensure that you are exam ready. We will be knowing this, that how to ensure. Second one is the evaluate your preparation. इसमें आप revision भी add कर दो, because here we will be ensuring, here we will be evaluating our preparation with the revision, right? First one, ensure you are exam ready. In this, you have to write down all the important topics of all the units and ask yourself, have I covered them well? So let's take the example of literary theory. Uh, So here we have around 14 theories from new criticism to the eco criticism. Ask yourself, do I know the central ideas of these theories? Ask yourself, do I know the characteristics of these theories? Ask yourself, have I read all the important theorists of these theories? Have I covered all of their important works? Have I read and studied all of their important terms? Do I know the central ideas of these terms? Have I solved the MCQs on all these terms and theories? If your answer is yes, that means you are exam ready and you have ensured it now. And this is the method. This is the parameter you have to apply for all the important units. Same applies to your British literature. You have about 14 periods from your Anglo Saxon to your postmodern age. Ask yourself, do I know all the important poets, all the important novelists, all the important dramatists, all the important prose writers, which are important in all of these ages? Victorian age. Last night I shared the very concise content of the Victorian novelist with the student because they are very important, right? So this is the last moment, and you have to give everything to it. This is the peak time of your life. वो होता है ना कि आप मैंने जिंदगी में क्या किया, ये वो वाला वक्त है, right, where you are supposed to use all your learnings of life, right? हर एक चीज जो आपने सीखी है जिंदगी में, all your experiences, just put them into work. ये वो वक्त है, ठीक है? आप बोलोगे कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाया, मेरे पास ये नहीं था या वो नहीं था, anything, any excuses you can give, right? But what did you do to overcome, to navigate? We all have frustrations, we all have stress, but the one who navigate, who use their cognitive faculties to navigate through those situations is the one, right, who rise up to be the champion. ठीक है? सबको चैंपियन ही तो बनना है, आपको भी तो चैंपियन बनना है in the truest sense. Revision with PYQPs to know, do you have a better command on the topics from where questions are being asked? Questions important नहीं है. Maybe questions will not be repeated even though questions are repeated every time. They turn and twist its language, subject. Your option become the question, your question become the option. Your topics are very important. जिस टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, टीएससी लेट में ऑब्जेक्टिव कोरिलेटिव से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, ऑब्जेक्टिव कोरिलेटिव इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाता है. Objective On objective correlative, you might have a question on the statement based question, a reason and assertion based question. Prior to this, they are merely asking that who propounded this term, right? From where this term is driven by your T.S. Eliot. Where did he apply this, right? There are multiple questions can be, framed. There are multiple questions can be asked around this term. ठीक है, तो आपकी वो टॉपिक पे पकड़ होनी चाहिए. So when you go through these PYQPs from 2004 to 2023, 2004 to 2023, when you go through all of these PYQPs, it will tell you that what is your level of preparation, like how many topics you are familiar with, right? Maybe you have already solved it, So you might like answer most of the questions. The topics ही रहेंगे. There will be no change in that. They will be the same. So do you have a better command on it? Are you familiar with it? Right. So if you are, that means you are exam ready. And these are the things you should be doing during this last hour of your preparation. Okay. So to make sure that you're exam ready, how? This is the method. This is the parameter that you should be following to evaluate it. Or you might be somebody that who is just giving this exam as a trial. कि कि मुझे ट्राई करना है, मेरा 1 से 2 महीने का प्रिपरेशन हुआ है एंड जस्ट लेट्स जस्ट सी. You might be somebody from a very preeminent institution, right? From the top colleges and universities of India. So you might have a better command on the concepts, right? Your literary theory, you know all the theories, all their functionalities and their applications. So you might perform well within this 1 or 2 months. You have just focused and worked upon your paper one and just went through some of the very factual data of the paper two, and that will help you to crack this examination. But if you're somebody who is a completely a beginner in this subject, who don't have a better command, then you will obviously be grappling with it, and it will require you more and more efforts and time. You need to have a exam oriented content, good classes, a good mentor to score well in this exam and come out with the flying colors, right? And you can start your journey with my professor note. अगर आपका ये एज अ ट्रायल है एंड और दिसंबर सेशन के लिए आप जो है ये अटेम्प्ट अपना दे रहे हो, मेन जो आपका जो अटेम्प्ट होने वाला है, मे बी आपका ये नेट के लिए है, अगर आप JRF के लिए देना चाहते हो, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर प्रेपरेशन विद अस. And for the queries, you can just contact on this given number. And these are the strategies that you should be following during this last hour, right? So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, so do like, do share, and do subscribe with more and more people so they can get to know the important things during this last hour of their preparation, और उनको इससे help मिल सके. To facilitate their journey, you can do share with these other candidates as well. And if there's any doubts and confusion you have, do let me know in the comment section below. I will surely respond to your queries. uh, we'll see you soon in the next video. Till then time, this is Bhupesh Sharma signing off.